Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I will show you how to insert a link in Google Docs. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Over here I am in Google. Now I will go to docs.google.com. And now I will choose one file. Okay, this one. This is my demo file which I have recently created. This is about what is ChatGPT. Now, over here you can see here is one alt text as ChatGPT. Now, to insert link over here, first of all select this text. Now, go to this link over here, insert link. Or you can just type Ctrl and K on keyboard. Now, you can see here we can paste the link and also we can just type. I will type openai.com. and apply. You can see here I have created a link to this alt text. So in this way we can insert links on Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.